Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. The most dramatic day on the market I have ever seen in the history of my portfolio. That being only 7 months, I know, but nevertheless, it absolutely phenomenal day. Cannot believe what's happening because of what's happening in Europe and Russia. Money is now flooding into the US market and the UK market. As you can see, my portfolio is exploding today. Absolutely fantastic, and I'm making profits all along the way. So it's 1 to the day trader, 0 to Putin. Okay, so here we go. Look at it right now. I'm showing you my position in the last hour. I'm at 1.43 on the day. I'm now up nearly 5%. I just can't trade quick enough. I'm just one man on my own, but this is ridiculous. I'm buying and selling and buying and selling by the second all day long. It's been the most dramatic upswing of my portfolio ever. Incredible. Let's get straight into the trades, because now money is frozen. Banks are frozen in Russia. Money's got to go somewhere. So all those banks have been put out, and now the rest of the world is going to zoom ahead. As you can see, Virgin Galactic now is 881. I've traded it 20 times today. I've lost count of how many times I've traded it. This is my portfolio right now. Look, I'm up nearly $2,000. I've bought and sold it, absolutely incredible day today. We're up nearly 5% today. It's been absolutely incredible, and bearing in mind how much we dropped this morning, it's been incredible. So what we're doing about it, how do you make money in a bear market? That's what this video is called. Should you buy or sell your stocks? Well, what you do is you move into high risk stocks that have huge volatility, that the fundamentals are good. That's how you do it. Over there on TikTok, how you doing? This is us now live on YouTube. This is my stocks today. We're making money. We can't make the money fast enough. It's moving out of Russia. It's moving into the rest of the world. And boy, it's taken off. You just got to reposition. Everyone is saying the stock markets are down today. Stock markets are down around the world, but my portfolio is most certainly not. It's up nearly 5%. You've just got to make sure you reposition. If you want to see what I'm trading over on TikTok, click the profile, click the icon right here, and come into YouTube. That's where I'm live. These are my trading screens. If you want to see them, come and see what I'm doing. I'll show you how you can make money. It's finding stocks that are volatile, stocks with great fundamentals. Those are Virgin, Galactic, SPCE, Tesla, Rivian, Amazon. These are the ones, Twitter, Nvidia. This is my stock list right here, and we are pumping up on every single one. Meta, Facebook, it's all fighting back. Look at this. All the money is moving back now. Russia, if they're going to carry on like this, will be bankrupt. There'll be nothing left. Putin will bankrupt his country, while everybody else in the world literally takes all the money. Winner takes all today. Winner takes all. Robinhood is absolutely on fire. All money is being squeezed out of Russia and heading over to the West. That's it. You can see it right now. I can't trade fast enough. I've set limit orders all over the place. Let's look at our Bitcoin. Money is moving massively into Bitcoin right now. Look at Bitcoin today, up 8%. Ethereum up 12%. We are literally now on fire. Coca-Cola is up, now moving up. Google is up. All Western stocks are up. BA is up. The Russian stock market has crashed 33% just a few hours ago. 33%. You can't trade fast enough. I've set pre-limit orders all over the place. I'm picking up money all over the place. I can't really, to be honest with you, make the most of the situation. We've never had trading like this. You want to know about PayPal? PayPal is also up nearly 3% today. Money is leaving Russia and coming into Western business like you wouldn't believe. All right, so here we are. If you've just come into the show, subscribe and ring the bell. If you want to be part of it over here on YouTube, join us here. This is what we're doing right now. All markets around the world are saying they are down, but I'm telling you that I am up big time because I am investing in high-risk stocks with great fundamentals. That is the point of all of this. Come and join me on YouTube. Subscribe and ring the bell. There it is. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like the video. Okay, let's go now into the overlays and let's bring the information you need. Who is in the chat right now? We've got Alex here. We've got not buying or selling anything. The market isn't stable. Well, I've traded at least 100 times today. So I would advise against that eye drop. I really would. This is the opportunity to build your portfolio for the future, and I've been doing it all day. The rest of the world is declaring markets are crashing, and I am up nearly 6% now. So we're going to continue doing this and continue taking profits. Right, Virgin Galactic, right now we are about to sell again. Let's take the profits again. 885, 887. Let's have a look at it right now. 886, 87. We're going to trade again. So let's sell. What have I got now? 294. So I'll sell 293 shares. 293 shares. And we're going to sell those again now. So we're going to take some more money off the table because we'll get a crash again in the morning. I'm sure we will. People are trying to stuff it to the Russians right now. That's what's happening. Feel it. You can sense it. Turn on the news. Listen to unbiased news like Sky News and the BBC. And you can read it like reading a book. 887. Right. Review order 293. Let's get rid of those shares. Hang on. Let me refresh the screen. Let me do that again. I will bring up some news for you. Breaking news. Here is the breaking news while I do this trade. Here we go. Here it is.
National Defence.
Listen in.
Join the National Armed Forces. Territorial defence. Anyone with experience in the army. It's really important, and we will not let the enemy go any further on our territory.
Russian armoured personnel carriers and other military vehicles crossed the border from Belarus into Ukraine as President Putin's forces attempted to take control. Military trucks also seen heading north from Crimea, annexed in 2014. And tanks rolled through the cities, including Sumy, heralding a new phase in this escalating crisis.
Okay, just sold again.
In Europe, on a scale and of a type.
Okay, I've just sold again. I've now taken the profits on Virgin Galactic again. How much profit have you done trading today? Excess of about $2,000, somewhere in that region. Somewhere in that region, about $2,000. I've sold my Virgin Galactic entire 1,500 shares 3 times today. 3 times. And also what I'm doing, because we're trending upwards, I keep buying in 100, 200, 300 shares and just flipping those after a few moments, okay? Because I don't mind owning this stock. This stock is going to go to $50 to $100 a share, and particularly now with Russia, more people will come into this sort of stuff because they won't have anywhere to put their money. So a lot of money is going to come into this now. So I've just sold it again. I do expect it to pull back later, and I'll rebuy the whole thing all over again and do it all over again. But you can see my portfolio is now up 6%. 6%. Look at that. I can't trade quick enough. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane today. We're at 38,000. All markets around the world are plummeting, but my stocks are doing well. So where are we next? What shall we do next? I'm waiting for Tesla to make some more money before I trim off the top. Rivian, we're moving into a great position there. Amazon now. Amazon's 3,000 today, up from 2.8. Twitter is doing well. Twitter, Meta, and Facebook are going to do great today. Of course, because those stocks are all against what's happening in Russia. So this is going to do great today. Don't underestimate Putin. He knows what he's doing. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't at all. Putin has no idea what he's done. He's a flipping idiot. I would use stronger language than that, but I'd rather not. He's an absolute idiot, and he's going to face the entire world. What we're about to experience now, I mean, we even had people mentioning World War III today at the Biden conference. Right, 888. We are now 888 on Virgin Galactic. It continues to pump. So the next little dip, I will do it again. We are going to get a dip later on. It will come because this stock isn't ready to mature yet. It isn't. Bitcoin is now exploding up 11%. Get ready to trim off your Bitcoin. Bitcoin today could go up to $50,000 on the basis of this. People will move their money because it's coming out of Russian banks. Incredible. What we're witnessing right now is Bitcoin exploding right now. Look at it. If you're over there on TikTok, who's with me today? This is what you're seeing here on my live portfolio. I can't show you on TikTok because you can't stream through software. You're just using my phone. But money's now moving into Bitcoin to get ready to sell some Bitcoin now. The portfolio is now up nearly 38,000 now. The strongest asset today is Bitcoin.
Here, and people are worried there could be another salvo at any time.
You see all the broken glass and brickwork down here.
And we've now got breaking news that Russia has now surrounded Chernobyl, the location of that nuclear disaster. They've surrounded Chernobyl now. Hey, Robert Durant is here. How are you? Don't underestimate Putin. He knows what he's doing. No, he doesn't. I've got to say he doesn't know what he's doing. He's a flippin' idiot. He's an absolute idiot. I've got no respect for him whatsoever. Smash the like, Robert. Let's do it. Smash the likes in. Here he is. Smashy likey. The like, Robert. Okay. Best ever day on the market. Russian money is leaving Russia. It has nowhere else to go. Russian economy is down 33% today. It's going to absolutely bankrupt the country. They will run out of money to pay for their bombs. No one's going to supply them with anything. And in the meantime, everything gets pumped into high-risk stocks with my stocks. What's up, Dodge? What's up, Dodge? We're up today 6%. It's the best ever day on my portfolio. I'm about to trade my. I've bought and sold that my whole. Sorry to hear about Roku. I've always said on the show that I wouldn't invest in Roku. Right now, it doesn't do anything proprietary. It doesn't do anything that nobody else can do. Take the loss. It's fine. Don't worry about that. You can take the loss and. Because that way you won't lose more money, and you use the money you took out of it to buy something which is growing. And right now, SPCE, Tesla, all the high risk stocks are doing well. Apple is up, Google is up, Coke is up. All the stuff that I believe in, heart and soul, are up. Ethereum up, Bitcoin up. These are all my live positions. This is all my real money right now. What we're looking at. If you're over on TikTok, I'm on YouTube. This is my live positions today. My portfolio is up nearly 7% now today because money is leaving Russia. It's coming to the West from high-risk stocks. BRCC needs to come up. I'm IMA buy. I'm not sure of that one. I'm sorry. Dodge Nitro, Jude. How are you today, by the way? Are you all right? I know you took losses, but how are you? How are you within yourself? Is everything all right? Nitro, Jude. Roku is pumping, though. Roku, I wouldn't put my money into it. I don't care how good it is. We steal the Russians' money now. Yep, it's all leaving. Russia is going to be bankrupt. Russia is going to be bankrupt. No one cares anymore. They've had enough. Listen to Boris Johnson this afternoon. We are going to bankrupt Russia. And they're going to have no power to do anything. Yeah, Queen, I bought way back at 170, but I decided to sell now. Right, Tesla's moving up. Rivian's moving up. I've just... watching Virgin Galactic just non-stop pump this afternoon. Non-stop. It's had a swing today of down 7, up that 18. That's 10, 18% today. So keep trading, keep having nibbles at it. 888. Now it's still a great buy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have another little nibble at. In fact, no, I'm going to wait now. I was just going to buy some more Virgin Galactic, but I'm going to wait now. I've traded my entire portfolio of Virgin Galactic today several times. That's why I'm down to one share. I'm waiting for the next go at it. The way it's going, I'm going to own Virgin for free. Right, we're now up 6.14%. 38,000, we just broke through. Okay, up 3% in the last hour. Right, and where that's coming from is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to head to 50,000. Bitcoin could go to 50,000 now because the money in Russia has collapsed. What are you going to do with your money? You're going to buy the most secure asset in the world, Bitcoin. That's where the money's going. You can see it like that, 11%, 11.5%. Live on the screen, you're watching it do it. If we go to the live position, you'll see it. Look at that, straight up. 8% in the last few minutes. That's where all the money's going. It's all going into Bitcoin. There's my position. Bitcoin could hit 100,000 now. China tried to get rid of it. Russia's got all sorts of silly ideas. 892. Virgin doesn't know how to stop. Okay, I'm convinced. I'll buy another 300. Okay, I don't care if it's 891. I don't care if it's 891. 891, there we go, done. Right, it's still moving. I just cannot stop making money on these stocks. So sell now. Sell 300 again. So here we go. We've just bought 300 at 891. I'm going to start increasing that in a minute. Sell 300. 892. Review order. Review order. Sell 892. So I just bought 890. What did I just pay for it? 891. Right, we'll sell at 894. 300, sell at 894. Get ready to sell it again. Because you don't want to keep it in there because we will get a dip in a minute. And I don't mind if we do. I don't mind owning it. I'll just buy that much again to bring that average down. It doesn't matter. So 892 now. 892. Just bought at 891. 300 shares. 890. 888. See, people don't want to sell out because they can make money from this. There's nowhere to go. Russian markets are finished. Where's the money going to go? It has to go into these high-risk, high-volatile stocks, which are the ones that make the money. They can lose the most money if you don't understand when to buy them or what they're about. And if it crashes now, I'd buy 1,500 of them. People are buying Bitcoin because they don't trust the money right now. Crypto to the moon. Not crypto to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon. I don't even use that phrase. I don't like it. Using the word to the moon, I don't like it. It's not a term used by professional financial guys. I don't like it. They use it on Twitter and stuff like that, and all that kind of stuff. It's used too much these days. SPCE, $15. No, not there yet. It'll go to $100 by the end of the year, but not there yet. Threats of cyber tonight, said USHS. That's it. That's it. It's all going into Bitcoin, the whole bloody lot. Get ready to sell that again at 893. I could set a limit order on it. In fact, I'll do that. It'll just be easier rather than sitting here watching it. So, what was it? 891. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a limit order. Let's do a limit. Edit that. 891. And we'll do a limit order again. Limit order 8. What did I just buy it for? It's happening so quick today. 891, 894. Okay. 894. 300. Review order. There we go. It's going to go again. Review order. Okay, that'll give me a return of 2,682. I paid 2,671. Yeah, another $10. Just keep doing $10 over and over again, 100 times a day. All right, so 894. Doesn't matter if it keeps on going. I don't really care. All I'm doing is nibbling it on the way up, waiting for the next crash, and then I'll jump all over it. So the investment community was just waiting for Putin to go to Kiev. Yeah. Okay. Should I sell it at 894 or should I just hover? Okay, I'll put that order in. I'll put that order in so I can look at Bitcoin. Right, Bitcoin now, let's have a look at it. Live position, it's just gone up now to 39,000. It's touching 40,000, 12% today. 12% today. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to see what I'm actually doing, this is my trades. Join me on YouTube. I'm here every day for the opening and closing bell. These are my live trades, my real money. Money's moving out of Russia and going straight into the Western economies. That's what's happening. Bitcoin's exploding. Virgin Galactic is exploding. Everything that I invest in, high-risk stocks, are exploding. Click on your the icon up here, and you'll find my icon on my profile. Click on that, and you will come directly into there's Instagram and YouTube. Click on the YouTube link. That's where I'm live right now. You can see my trades. You can't see nothing here on TikTok. It's all here on YouTube. Come and join me now. All right. You don't want to miss this. This is the day today where you can set yourself up for life. I'm up now $2,300, nearly 7% increase right now. Virgin Galactic is going again. I'm just about to sell again. Here it goes again. It's sold. Sold again. Sold again. Another trade. 894 went for 884 went for bloody hell. 884 went for 891. Bloody hell. Okay. Incredible. Let's refresh that again. We just can't trade fast enough today. Let's check the overall position now. Yep, we need 38,000. Right, SPCE now 890. I've got an order placed. An order placed for 894. 894. That'll be 300, right? 894, yep. Bitcoin, yes. Bitcoin is on fire. 12% today. Over there on JimSnap, how are you today? Thank you for the follows. Thanks for the likes. Please do come and join me on YouTube. You're missing all the action. Here it is right now. This is what we're doing right now. We are growing our wealth now. Money is leaving Russia and going into the Western economies. And it is all to play for. 38,000 now, up 6%. 6% today. We're on fire. Bitcoin's up 12%. Ethereum is up 14%. Coca-Cola is now up. Western businesses are flying. They're taking all the money away from the Russian Federation. Apple is now up 0.5%. Boeing is up. Sorry, Boeing is just flat now. Rolls-Royce is down today 8%. On is up 4%. Immersion is up 2%. PayPal is up 3%. Wow, Palantir is up as well. Robinhood is up 6%. Unbelievable. So the investment community is waiting for Putin to go into Kiev. Yes, I guess so. Lucid is up 4%. GGPI is at 10.98. Meta, Facebook is up 4% today. Absolutely awesome stuff. Nvidia is up. We're about to make money on Nvidia. Twitter. Oh my gosh. Amazon today has broke 3,000 again. Rivian is up today, 9% on Rivian today. Tesla is up 3% now, 2.75, 785. Look at this. SPCE, we've just got, what have we got now? An average of 890. We've been selling it all day. That will not be my price. I will get it for under $8 soon. But we're waiting to do my last trade. My last trade today will be in the next few minutes, which will be a buy of 810. Limit sell 300 at 894. 894, we'll sell another 300. And we'll bring ourselves all down to one share again. And when it drops to around the 8, I will buy back 1,000 shares of it. Wow, what a day it's having. Thank you ever so much if you join me over on TikTok. I do want to share with you, desperately want to share with you. People keep complaining for there's no opportunities to grow, make money. I'm giving you the opportunity now. I'm showing you what I'm buying. You can't see what I'm buying on TikTok. This is my YouTube stream right now. All money is leaving Russia right now. It's going into Bitcoin. It's going to high-risk stocks. It's going into high-risk stocks with good fundamentals, though. Tesla, Rivian, Bitcoin, not the other junk coins. For God's sake, don't buy that. Virgin Galactic. If you want to take advantage of it, hop into YouTube now. The link's on my profile here on TikTok, and you can come and see exactly what I'm trading. Don't say today you didn't have the opportunities. The opportunities are right here for you. We're up 6.5% now, nearly over $2,292 today, and rising. 888. I've just got 300 shares now. I've sold my 1,500 shares twice today. I did it twice yesterday. Let's bring up all these comments. Bitcoin, yes. What are your tensions are right here in Saudi? How are you, Abdullah? Awful days today, but the world is stuffing it to the Russians. We're getting huge money now being pumped up into the stocks that I've always believed in. And as you can see, I'm up today 6.5% on my overall portfolio. Look at that. Let's bring in the breaking news as we get it.
Answering calls all the time, every single day, about people who are terrified of losing their home, and they, call up crying, worried about this.
We're talking about the prices in the UK going up now. Inflation, house prices, fuel. Russians love SPCE. Well, they won't get a ticket on it because all the billionaires are going to lose their money. I'm afraid all the billionaires of Russia, their money is being frozen as we speak. They've got no money. They've got no money. So, Putin, if you're watching, welcome to the show. Right. As we say in England on a football score, day trader 1, Putin 0. Right, Virgin Galactic now up 9.46. We're now up $38,000. We're up $38,000 now. This is all coming back. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting to trade that one and buy a huge dip. Because it will come. It will come. Absolutely will come. And I will take out all those up 72%. Very good, Abdullah. We've always said, though, Abdullah, if you are a real sheik, and you are the man you say you are, all right? Because you have these massive trades every day, then we invite you to be a member. I have to say, some of my team think that actually you're not who you say you are. Because we know all our big traders, all our real big traders, they're all members of our channel. It's only a couple of bucks a month to be a member of our channel. But some of our members are saying they don't think that you are the real deal. They say you're not the real deal. All right. So we're going to invite you now to become a member of our channel. All our big traders are members. So here is the invitation to join. Cut the bucks to you, sir, is absolutely zero. So here is the invitation to join, and we all invite you. We Masco Exchange opening shorts. I'm not sure what that means. Here is your invitation. If you'd like to be part of our show, just to show everybody that you are the real deal. A lot of our members think Abdullah's actually a kid or a 10-year-old kid pretending to be a sheik. So if you are the real deal, which I know you are, become a member. And there is the invitation to join. It takes 2 seconds to click on it. And you can be bronze, silver, or gold. The choice is yours. But I'd love to see you come into our show as a member. Right, we got more breaking news for you now. This is the President of the United States. Here we go.
But the Ukrainian people have known 30 years of independence. They've repeatedly shown that they will not tolerate anyone who tries to take their country backwards.
There we go. That's from earlier. If you're over on TikTok, this is our trades this afternoon live here on YouTube. When the world markets are crashing, my portfolio is up nearly 7%. I will membership. Join later, okay? You've said that a lot of times. I believe you are the real deal, but all our traders don't think you are because you said you were going to join loads of times. So I don't want them to all think you're not the real deal, all right? I believe you are. But you're on the phone. All right. No worries. Well, we welcome you to be a member. All the members are here listening in. And they're going, see, I told you he's not the real deal. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up nearly 10% today. 883. We're getting ready for the next trade of 300 shares. This will be at 8. It's placed at 8.94. 8.94. If it drops, we're going to buy 1,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. If it goes up, we're going to sell at 8.94. We've sold it countless times today. Countless. If we go to Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is up 38,498. I'm up 10%, up 11% now on Bitcoin. Ethereum, my stocks are in the dirt. Caden, oh, I don't want to hear that. This is the greatest day on the stock market we've ever had. If you're invested in the high-risk stocks with great fundamentals, which I've been sharing with you now for 7 months, you should be up today over 6%. That's my portfolio right now. Let me share with everybody my portfolio quickly. Look, this is what I've got. Google, Twitter, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Rivian, SPCE, GGPI, Lucid, Hood, Peloton, PayPal, Immersion, Harp, On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, Johnson & Johnson, Coke, Disney, VTI, McDonald's, MasterCard. These are all my ETFs. These are all my dividend stocks. And my crypto, of course, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've got Doge because that was given to me. I got 50% on my portfolio in Apple. Well, you should be up then. What's wrong with that? Apple's great now. Did you buy all the dips? There's Apple today. Blazing away. I've doubled down today. I've now got 7 shares with Apple. Virgin Galactic, we're up now 6% today. Here's Boris Johnson.
The magnitude of this situation etched on the faces of ministers.
No, we'll come back to that. He's not speaking now. I thought he was. Right, up 6%. SPCE, now 8.92. We're going to sell again at 8.94 and we'll do it again. I don't know how many times we traded this today. Here we go, 8.94. That'll trigger a sale. $8.94. That triggered a sale. I was trying to buy, but I could not buy shares in my stock. I sold today. I have to wait 2 days. Yeah, of course. It's because you don't have 20,000 in your portfolio, right? That's what that is. We want to help you with that, mate. We want to help you get there. Remember my port. There we go. I've sold again. There we go. Virgin Galactic have sold again. Down to 1 stock again. Taking the profit again. So the last one went through. We'll refresh the screen. We've just sold Virgin Galactic again. And we'll buy it again. A dip will come shortly. What goes up must come down. So we've just made a sale. We bought 308.91 and sold. There we go. So 682 sold at 671. Dollar by dollar all the way up. Right, the portfolio is now up $2,248. Now, if you're over there on TikTok, we've got a big army today. What's the fudge about? What's the fuss? What the fudge is? I've no idea what that means. Aubrey, John, how are you, John? Is this I've got no idea what that's all about. This is my YouTube channel right now. We're trading live. If people talk nonsense on TikTok, I just ban you. We're here to make money. We're here to help support people. 8.95. It continues again. Wait for the next dip to come. Wait for the next little pullback and then do it again. Right? What goes up must come down. Money's moving out of Russia now into Europe. As you can see, we're now at 38.1. Bitcoin is just edging back slightly from its high. Ethereum is just edging back. Coke, we will get a sell-off at the end of the day, I would expect, especially Friday morning. So take advantage of all your sales. I'm up now nearly 7%, 6.5%. SPCE now 8.97. Wait for the next pullback. Let's buy it again. Let's go again. Another 300. I've only got 1 right now. We'll start increasing this soon. 300 shares. Tesla moving again. 8.91. Let's get a little blip. Buy. Let's green. Let's go, go, go. Phenomenal. I've been keeping an eye on Moscow Exchange. Down 33% when I last checked. Russia is going to go bankrupt. They'll have no money to buy the bombs they want to drop all over Europe. They threatened the UK today and told the UK that you are on our target if you retaliate. $9 now. $9. Wait for the next pullback. Trade again, $8.99. You want to get back in again, $8.98. Review order, $8.99. $8.90. I'm going to go again, review order, and buy 300 at $8.98. We're still pushing up. Buy. Buy again. Right, we get ready to sell again. So we're going to sell 300 shares again of Virgin Galactic. Keep selling this on the way up. Keep selling this on the way up because we're going to get a pullback at some point. Okay. So here we go. Just bought that again at $8.99. It went through for. So review order. Get ready to sell 300 at 301. So 901, 902. They dipped all the way down to 0.54. 54% down. Yep. Russia is going to go bankrupt. Who would have thought it? One of the most powerful countries in the world is going to lose everything over one man. Absolutely unbelievable. If you want to see what I'm trading, this is what I'm trading live right now. You can't see it and you need to be on YouTube. All right? I've invited you countless times over there on TikTok. So we just bought this at $8.99. Let's get ready to sell it now at 901, 902. You ready? $8.99. In fact, what we'll do, we'll set a limit order on it. It's easier that way. Limit order, and we will go 902, $9.02. Shares 300. Review the order. 902. Review. Sell 300 at 902. There it is. And sell those at 902. Okay. Nibble, nibble all the way up. Just waiting for it not to go all in yet. Okay, we're just making profits all the way up. Right, we're now up nearly 7%, nearly $2,500. Just cannot trade fast enough. Virgin Galactic, it's going to go 901. There we go, 901. 902 will force a sale. 902 will force a sale to go through. And we're now up 6.89, approaching 7% now. If you've just tuned in, it's greatest day on the markets ever. Great, a bankrupt country with nukes. Yeah, sounds great, doesn't it? Send in the SAS, send in James Bond. Right, subscribe and ring the bell. I'll tell you what, how many special forces have Putin on their radar today? Wouldn't want to be him. You wouldn't want to be Putin right now, would you? He has crosshairs on him. Right, there we go. Subscribe and ring the bell. Smash and like the button. Smash and like the video. If you've just tuned in. Harper's 2 in the afternoon here in the US. 8.99. If you've just tuned in, welcome to the show. We're trying to show you how to make money in this market. If you're over on TikTok, please come and join me on YouTube. I want to show everybody today how you can make money on a market like this. Just click the profile link, just click the icon and you come straight in. Right, we're going to trade again on Virgin Galactic. Only country working with Russia is Syria. Well, that tells you a lot, doesn't it? That's a bad idea. Their only ally has ever been China, and I don't think China are too chuffed either. I think Vladimir Putin has lost his brain. Oh well. Unfortunately, Russians voted for him. So what can you say? If you're over there on TikTok, thank you for the follow. This is my live trades now. This is what we're doing. We're trading live here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Click the icon, click the profile. Come on in. I'm showing you how today to make money in this volatile market. All right? I am up today. Right, here we go. We're going to get another sell now on Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic now. Money has nowhere to go in Russia. It's got to leave. And that's what's happening. Money is coming out of Russia and going into Western businesses, where we still have democracy and we don't invade countries. Right. Virgin Galactic is now 901. Another sale will go through at 902. We'll sell Virgin Galactic again. 901. 901, 902. It's just a matter of time, and if it drops again, we'll buy it again. Now, Bitcoin is now up 11%. The money is now moving into Bitcoin. I've got my biggest ever audience on TikTok. I want all of you on TikTok to come and see the show. We are showing you now how to make money in this market. Here it is. This is my trading show right now in YouTube. The link's in the profile. Just go The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas on YouTube. I'm live right now. Come and join me. If you want to see my actual shares that I'm actually trading on. Thank you, David, for the support. Right, Bitcoin now is up 11%. Ethereum is now up 13%. Coca-Cola is now moving up. Money is leaving Russia and going into high-risk, good fundamental companies. Right, SPCE, we're going to trade it again. And we're waiting for the dip. In the morning, there'll be a pullback. We'll buy it all over again, and I'll buy 1,500 shares of Virgin in the morning, which is about $13,000. I'll buy that in the morning, and I'll do it again. So get ready. Virgin Galactic is going to be a $100 share by the end of this year. Big investors now with nowhere to go have to move into these stocks. Heard what's going on. Hi, graphics card. How are you doing? I want to address all my audience on TikTok. I've got my biggest ever audience on TikTok. Thank you for joining me. Tap the screen with 2 fingers like that. Let's tell the world today what to do with their money. All right? This is my real money, my real trades. I'm sharing with you here on YouTube. Come and join me. And tap all the screen. Thank you so much. Tomo, 1848. What country are you in? Easy, I'm new to this. Hi, me. How are you? We got a new trader here just come on into the house. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Would everybody please welcome H to the family? Click thumbs up and help us grow here on YouTube. All right. Okay. We've now got. I have 212 and also crypto on Few Wallet. Okay, the only crypto I believe in that is for the future, that is stable and secure, is Ethereum and Bitcoin. The rest I wouldn't bother with. Okay, you want secure assets now that are regarded as high risk, but they're not high risk. You need assets that can't be corrupt by Russia. You need assets that can't be influenced by Russia. That's what you need right now, and that is what's happening right now, as you can see. But down like over 50% on stocks. Well, you need to be in high-risk stocks that have great potential for the future. You must not be in stocks that have old-school theories. Things like Ford, for example. You need stocks for the future. Never sell out your space. What do you mean never sell out? I've traded space now 20 times in 2 days and made thousands of dollars doing so. Don't want to get left standing on the ground at liftoff. The liftoff is not coming yet. We know when the liftoff is coming. It's coming in late summer, early fall. It's not coming now. Shiba Inu, I've never really held it. I bought $300 of it for a bit of a joke. I'm not even interested in Shiba Inu right now. Joke coins are what they are. What we're doing now, we're investing serious money for serious investments, for serious trades, for serious money. Shiba Inu, all that kind of stuff, it's all speculative and a joke. With the insecurity that we have now in the markets, you want real, solid, fundamental companies. Look at my portfolio now, up nearly 7% now. When the global markets are crashing, I am up 7%. HMER, I went heavy into Chinese stocks, EV and batteries last year. Okay. Be careful now of that sort of stuff. HMER, where are you from? Let's send our support to HMER. Reposition. It's okay to take a loss, because that way you stop losing money and stop those businesses from going bankrupt. Chinese markets are in serious fear now because of their association with Russia. Chinese markets, I've said it all the time, I'm in the UK. Well, welcome to you. Let me introduce you to my studio. My name is Martyn Lucas, world piano man, voted by Elton John. I'm based, my home is in Cornwall, United Kingdom. My studio is here in Texas. That's where I am right now. Welcome to you. And would all my members please welcome HMER in to the show. Welcome to you. Over there on TikTok, How are you all doing? Martyn Lucas, the day trader on YouTube. Thank you ever so much, Alex, for helping me grow on TikTok. Tell everybody, give everybody the link. We got a breaking number of people now on. Thank you so much indeed. We do live music here, live concerts. This is my live TV studio. We might even do a song in a minute. We might even do a song and celebrate and send some love to all those poor innocent people in the Ukraine now who have their country forced upon it by the Russians. Awful stuff. So let's get back to the trades right now. I found you on TikTok. Well, thank you ever so much indeed. TikTok is exploding. We are trading today here on YouTube. If you want to be part of it, the whole world now is, markets are crashing. The Russian economy is about to go bankrupt. The money has to go somewhere. It's going into the stocks that I am holding here on my channel. If you want to see what they are, look, have a look. I'm here right now on YouTube. Click the icon right now on YouTube, the icon here, and you'll be in YouTube right now. I'll show you what I'm doing. So the money now is going into Bitcoin. It's going into Ethereum. It's going into Coca-Cola. It's going into Amazon, Rivian. It's going into Tesla. It's going into SPCE. These are all my trades. Yes, we need to celebrate. We certainly do. The Queen, this is phenomenal news. I've always said from the day I started trading with you 7 months ago, more millionaires are created during wars than any other time. Move your money into high-risk stocks with good fundamentals. The stocks I hold are all stocks for the future, not stocks for the past, stocks for the future. Russia cannot influence these stocks at all, cannot corrupt them, and money has to go somewhere. It's going here. So, back to SPCE. I bought and sold my entire stocks of SPCE now several times. We're waiting to buy it all again. I think I'm down to one share. Let me just check again. All sold out. No, I've still got money in it. Okay. Let me look at my orders to sell. Virgin Galactic holds limit sell. 902. 300 at 902. Okay. Looks like we're going to go again. And so here we are right now. Check our buying power. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. 897. When we hit 902, we'll sell more. Yes, we need to celebrate. If anybody wants a song, that we might just do that today. Right, now for some reason, we've only got 12 likes on the video. Smash the like button, guys. We always get over 20 likes. Why have we only got 12? Let me check all the screens are working. Yeah, we're broadcasting on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and of course TikTok. How you doing? What's happening to Russian market now? Is it all crashing? Yes, the Russian market is finished. Finished. What they've done today is beyond belief. It's finished. The Russian market is finished. And we're going to promote that all around the world, okay? Move money into the Western markets. That's what we're doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now, okay? We're getting serious right now. Bitcoin is just pulling back. At the end of the day, we're going to get some sell-offs, okay? So what you want to do is buy back all the dips. Hopefully, you've made all your money. You've sold all your positions. And now you're going to buy back, okay? So, Tesla isn't going to fall back. But SPCE will. SPCE will fall back. And I will pick up those pullbacks as they come. All right. So here we go. Thank you very much for the subscribers over there on YouTube who've just followed me. Thank you much indeed. We'll bring in the breaking news as we get it. We've got some more breaking news to share with you in a few moments' time. Right. Virgin Galactic just pulling back slightly. So 899, 892. We will get a pullback later on. It might come in the morning. 791 up now on Tesla. How are you doing over there on TikTok? This is our live trading screens right now. We're here on YouTube. Alex Hunt, they hold 700 billion in gold and cash, but their market is crashing. Well, it won't be long before someone goes in and takes all that gold from Russia. I can promise you that. So that's what's happening right now. The money is leaving Russia and going into Europe. I'm awake now. Sorry to be late. Are you, Bill? I'm sorry as well for your friends in China. I hope they are deciding not to be associated with Russia, because all Chinese markets are now crashing as well. They are in association with Russia, so their markets are crashing as well. So all the money now is being pumped into the UK, European and American markets. And you can see it right now. All assets are being frozen from Russians or anyone in association with Russia. Okay, over there on TikTok, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. How will Russia cope then? I don't understand. If you want to see what I'm doing, look here on my YouTube channel. I'm trying to invite you all to my YouTube channel. Just click on the profile up here. Click on the icon, okay? And on my profile on TikTok is the Instagram icon. Click on that, and you'll see YouTube and Instagram right behind there. I'm trying my very best today to tell all of you and show you what I'm doing with my real money, how you can make money today by investing in the right markets. If you want to do that right now, I'm sharing with you on YouTube my actual money. Join me over on YouTube right now. I can't show you on TikTok. It's only on a phone. This is my trading screens, and these are my real stocks and shares, and I will happily share with you my real money, my real positions. All right, I've got to get back to trading, but I've given you the invitation. Come and take me up on it. All right. Okay, so we're back over near here on YouTube again, and we've got, we're up 38,000 now. We're up 6.73%. And if you decide to become a member right now in the show, this is what happens. If you subscribe, this is what happens. And if you go in the super chat and you want a song at the end of the show, this is what happens. I'm going to do some Elton John at the end of the show if we get some requests for it. I think we need to celebrate with I'm Still Standing. That's what I think we need to do. Who wants to hear I'm Still Standing at the end of the show? I think we should. Bill has sent me a Ukraine-China-Russian invasion reaction. Thank you ever so much indeed for that. We've seen that already today. Right, here we go. We're now starting to take off on YouTube. Yes, China in the link. I know that, Bill. We're not promoting anything to do with Russia and China today. Nothing. Nothing at all. Everything is here is positive. We're not interested in promoting anything to do with Russia or China. I'm sorry, Bill. That's what we're doing today. Okay, this is all positive today. Russia has made its decision. It's decided to invade Europe. It's decided to threaten the UK. So they are finished. Done. End. Right. So let's move on. Let's continue to grow. We've got another order now coming in at 9:02. When this gets 9:02, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing. Okay, I was napping. Sorry, you mentioned it. I reacted. Okay, mate. All good. 9:02. When we hit 9:02, we'll get another sale of Virgin Galactic. It's going to go again at 9:02. 300 again. We just keep doing small little micro trades as we wait for the pullback. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. If you want to get all the free stocks I'm giving away today, all the free Bitcoin I'm giving away today, here is the all links button in the live chat. There it is. There's the all links button in the live chat. There is the free stocks from COINBASE. There's the free stocks from Robinhood. There are my Discord invitation. Charlotte Wilson just subscribed. Thank you, Charlotte Wilson. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Over on TikTok. You can't see the trades here, guys. Here they are over on YouTube. I can't make it easier for you. The world today is changing. Money is going out permanently from Russia, moving into the West. I'm showing you the stocks I'm buying. I'm sharing with you my live positions. You're missing it if you're not in YouTube. I can't make it clearer than that. Click the profile right at the top here. Click the icon. Come into YouTube and you'll be with me. I bought, right, back to DCU. I bought $5 worth of an $11 space call this morning for 1 cent up, 100% up. Well done to you, my friend. 9:01, we're gonna sell another 300 shares of Virgin Galactic when we hit 9:02. Russia is finished. Money is now leaving until Vladimir Putin is taken out, which he will be by special forces. Then until that happens, Russia is going to be bankrupt. What do I buy right now? I've got $500 to spend. Daniel Tate is here. Daniel Tate, do not spend money that you do not have to spend. If it's Charlotte Wilson is here as well. Good morning, Charlotte Wilson. Welcome to the Day Trader Show. How are you? These are my stocks right now. Let me show you my portfolio. SPCE is now up. Right, we're going to sell it again. It's 903. It's going again. 903. Sold again. There we go. That should have just gone through. Another sale. That should have gone through again. There we go. We've just made our next trade with Virgin Galactic. There we go. I have one stock left again. I've sold it all again. I have it spare. Don't worry. Good. The first thing I did when I started this portfolio, I grew this portfolio, Daniel, from $5,000. All the money in here was $5,000, okay? All the way up to 58, back at 38 now because of the correction and what's happening. Now we're growing it all over again. The first thing I did was pay off the mortgage, the car loan. I'm not borrowing any money. I'm using all my own, just using the original $5,000 to make money. Okay, so first of all, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. I want to introduce our new guest today. We've got Daniel Tate and Charlotte Wilson. Where are you from? Just so you know who I am, my name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. So every evening I do live concerts and live music, and during the day I trade my real money so you can see my real shares, my real money, exactly what I'm doing. I'm actually from the UK, but I'm based here in Texas. I'm telling you all this because you need to know who I am before you start listening to me, all right? Who's this mad, crazy guy on YouTube talking about all this stuff? So I'm first of all going to give you all my stocks right now that I've got. I get sponsored by lots of people. So what I do is I give you the stuff they give me. I'm here to help you. I want nothing from you, okay? All I want is you to watch and be part of my community. There is the all links button in the live chat right now. If you want to be a member of my channel, if you want to be a member, as everybody in the chat with a badge after their name is, you can see them. They have badges, they are members, they get a lot of exclusive content, including many perks and benefits that you can't get as a regular viewer. If you want any of that stuff, click on the invitation to join. What can you buy now? I've been trading all day. Charlotte, I must have made 20 trades today on Virgin Galactic alone. All right, I must have traded today 500 times. Don't buy anything right now, Charlotte Wilson. What do you mean don't buy anything now? I've been buying and selling Virgin Galactic all day long, and that is why my portfolio is up today 7.2%. What you need to do is that you have your swing trades, your scalp trades, your long-term investments all separate. All separate. Look, don't tell people not to buy now. What you should be doing now is very different for everybody else. What you should be doing is what's right. I have no idea. Charlotte, you don't trade straight out. If you've never invested before, don't do anything. Just sit and listen and wait and take some time. Step back and learn the markets, right? This is my Bitcoin position, up 10%. This is my Ethereum position. Let me show you my entire portfolio. All right, let me share with you. I'm from the UK. Nice to have you here. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, and this is my portfolio. This is my real money. I'm not telling you stuff that isn't true. This is my real money. Google, Twitter. These are all the stocks I believe in that have grown my portfolio from 5,000. You're seeing them on the screen right now. Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Rivian, Space, GGPI, Lucid, Hood, Peloton, PayPal, Immersion, Harp, On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Disney, VTI, McDonald's, MasterCard. These are all my dividend stocks. My crypto is only Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest are all jokes, nonsense. You need stable stocks you can rely on, stocks that can't be influenced and affected by other markets. That's what I've got. I thought Bitcoin was going to drop a lot lower today, but it's surprisingly grown. It's grown because money is moving out of Russia, and Bitcoin now will become more secure. This is all gobbledygook to me. Don't worry, Charlotte. I'm talking very fast right now because the markets are happening very, very quickly. In a few moments' time, in fact, 1 minute from now, the market closes. Look, we've got 1 minute to go. The market is about to close and we'll slow things down. All right? Stick with us. We'll slow it down. All right? We've got 1 minute to go. Here comes the timer. 1 minute from now, we'll slow it all down, Charlotte, and we'll break it all down for you. And we'll start from the beginning, okay? Right, here we go. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Let's bring up the timer. Here we go. Market's about to close. There is after hour action, but the people will take a break. You ready? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go. When the market's closed, Charlotte will step back, take a break, and we'll explain everything in more detail. Okay? Is there a good iPhone app you can recommend for stocks? I am a crypto man. Where are you from? What country are you from? It depends where you're from. Where are you from? Okay, here we go. The bell is about to go. The end of the greatest ever day on the stock market in my portfolio. Up $2,500, up 7.5%. Scotland. Scotland. Lovely. I'm from Cornwall. I'm a Celt just like you. Okay, here we go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The markets are now closed. All right, we're taking a break. All right, we're going to slow it right down. We're going to slow it right down now, and we're going to take a break. We're going to really take a break now and help everybody start again, take a breather. We've made our money for the day. I hope I've been able to help and support people along this journey. There's after hours action. But we can take a breather. Okay. So let's start from the beginning right now. I just sold a car to someone from Cornwall. It wasn't me, mate. I'm from Truro, but I'm over here in the Texas right now. Okay. Take a deep breath. First of all, Charlotte Wilson, are you a singer? I know why he's mentioning that. Charlotte, I'm the world piano man, voted by Elton John. This is my TV studio you see behind me. And I do live concerts here every night, raise money. We've raised over $1 million this year on our YouTube channel for fundraisers around the world. And by the day, we trade. Okay, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start again now. Everybody on TikTok, all right? I'm talking to you right now. This is what's happening on YouTube right now, okay? Today has been one of the most dramatic days on the markets. So we've had a few people just join us. So the first thing I want to do is welcome our members to the family and break it all back down. Okay, so here we go. It can be confusing at the beginning. What platform do you trade on? All right, here we go. Let's start from the beginning. First of all, would everybody please welcome our new guest today? They're not members. They've not subscribed to the channel. They've just popped in. We've got Daniel here. We've got Charlotte here. We've got Daniel from Scotland. Charlotte, I'm not sure where she's from. She's not said yet. She's from the UK, though. Right? With all our members and our team, please welcome them all in. We're trying to build the biggest YouTube channel in the world here, and I know how we can do that. We've only been going 7 months, and I know how we can do that because we're a channel for you, not for me. Okay, so starting from the beginning. My name is Martyn Lucas. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and I've toured 195 countries, and this is my TV studio you see here behind me, and I do live concerts every day, and what you're seeing right now is my actual money, my actual trades, what I'm actually doing with my life savings. Okay, so this is real. Don't influence or clickbait or pretend or whatever. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a regular guy like you, and I put $5,000, that was it, into my account. This is Robinhood. Now, I have lots of brokerages I use. I use COINBASE, WEBULL, eTORO, Robinhood, and others. I'm going to give you the all links button now in the chat. Here it comes. In here are all the brokerages that I use. They give me money and free crypto and free stocks to promote their brokerages. I give it to you. I don't want anything from you. I want you to come on here and say, this is great. We've made money. We've all that stuff. All I want to do is build an audience that enjoy and feel part of this channel. Okay. So there's the all links button. And you'll also have an invitation there for my Twitter account, my Instagram account, and all the rest of it. All the links are also below all my videos in the description below. Okay. So if you want any of those things, you can get that. All right. I just got asked for my for my Instagram. Here's the Instagram for the day trader. Okay, there it is in the chat, and there's also the Instagram for my music. So Martyn Lucas 1 and Martyn Lucas 2. I use my real names, no nonsense, no gobbledygook, straightforward stuff. Okay, right, there it is. Now, as expected, Virgin Galactic is falling. Perfect. We've just sold it. Perfect. We're going to buy it back in a minute and make all the money again. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm investing for my future, and I'm building up a YouTube channel to share my experiences and my live trades as they happen. Every day I go live for the opening and closing bell. You look on my YouTube channel and you will see all the upcoming live streams. It's the same every day. This is the YouTube channel I'm on right now. This is the day trader. Let me bring it up, okay? And you'll see I'm live right now. And below here, the upcoming live streams and the past live streams. It's like a TV guide, okay? And underneath here, you'll see my other channel, the Martyn Lucas music channel. There we go. I'll give that to you now if you're interested and you want to follow me and hear my music. Okay, there you go. He was asking, Charlotte, because he thought you might be interested in my music. That was why he was asking. He was going to say, well, Martyn Lucas is the world piano man. That's why he was asking you. Anyway, so I'm live every day trading my real shares, my real money, my real positions. Okay, that's what we're doing. Now then, I do things differently than other traders. 95% of day traders lose money. All right? I do things a little bit differently. What I do is I trade with being able to read people. As a musician and an artist working with Elton John, I had to learn to read the audience. I don't read charts because everybody reads charts. It's like reading the same plan. We're all going to do the same thing. Then you lose. You just follow the sheep that over a cliff. I don't believe in charts. I read people. And what has happened today with one man, Putin, has changed people. And people are acting in a certain way because of what he has done. The charts are simply a pattern, a pretty picture of what has already happened. But people think that is now a guarantee and a plan of what's going to happen tomorrow. Well, of course, that's not the case at all. We cannot predict the future. We do not have a crystal ball. What we do know, though, is people affect markets. Markets go up, markets go down. And how that happens is, I can do the voice of George Michael, by the way, Beatles Sean. If you give me a super chat, I will do the voice of George Michael for you. I can actually do Careless Whisper in the voice of George Michael if you want to hear it. So it's people that affect the markets. So if you understand what people are doing, then you can make money from trading. So I invest in markets for the future. I'm not interested in Ford, who bring out an electric car and at the same time promote their gas car, because that means they don't understand the future. They're only interested in, oh, look at it, exactly as predicted. I hope you're watching this right now. There goes Virgin Galactic crashing as I said it would, and I'm about to buy it all over again. Be one step ahead of what's happening. People are greedy, people are confused, so understand that and then trade on that. So I am not buying a company like Ford, for example. I love the Ford bashing, because Ford bring out an EV car because Elon Musk made them bring one out. They didn't want to bring one out. I know people who work at Ford. I know people who sell Ford. So they brought a gas car out. They're promoting a gas car at the same time as they're selling an EV. Think of this for a moment. You walk into a Ford garage and a Ford dealer says to you, hey, buy our gas car. Sign up for a 7-year lease on a car that's going to be worth 0 in 7 years. 0. So you go in and you buy your Ford car. At the same time, they're selling EVs. Well, hang on a minute, that's confusing, because all they care about is taking your money. And look at Virgin Galactic. As I speak, it's now falling back. As I speak, I've made my money. I've sold it all out. I'm going to buy it back in a minute and make it all over again tomorrow morning. So what I do here is I trade and invest on stocks for the future of where the world is going, knowing that people are going to affect the price. I never buy the price. I invest on the value of the stock, not the price. Okay, so Virgin Galactic is a stock that's going to be worth $100 a share, probably this year. So right now I couldn't care less what I buy it for, but if I'm going to trade it in and out, then I'll just keep flipping it and buying it all day long. I have bought I started out with 15 shares. I only had a couple $100. I had no money. 7 months ago, I had $5,000, and I bought Virgin Galactic, and I had 15 shares. And I've managed to get up to 1,500 shares, which I've sold 4 or 5 times, $13,000 each time, making $1,000 each time profit from those first $15. And how did I do that? The market had dropped 80%. As the market dropped, as it's doing now, nothing goes straight. That line isn't a straight line. If we zoom into that line, there's little ripples along the way. As it goes down, you buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, all the way down. Keep acquiring more and more stock. Keep acquiring more and more stock. So when the time turns around, when the flights come and the business is making money, this stock is going to go up and up and up, and you've got stocks which you've bought at a discount. And that's how I've done it. Now, I don't want you to follow me. I don't want you to do anything I say. It's your money, nothing to do with me. I am just an entertainer. I'm just a musician on YouTube. I'm the world piano man. But having traveled to 195 countries, I've learned a few things. I've learned about greed, manipulation. This is not financial advice. DCU has watched me now do this now for months. He knows what I'm saying. This is my real money. What you're watching here is my Robinhood portfolio. My actual trades, my actual money. Now, I've given you the links now to all the brokerages that I am on, and you get free stocks using my referral code. Simple as that. Okay? And what you do is up to you. But what I want is to build the biggest YouTube channel in the world. Because I want to use my music for what I do later on in the evening, my fundraiser events, and we've raised over $1 million for charity over the last year on my channel. And this army of people that watch my show to come together and learn from each other. I learn from you. The stocks I own are what I've learned from you. And we help and support each other. Now, tomorrow on the show, the opening bell, which is at 7:30 in the morning, 8 p.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I had to count on my fingers then. For you, Charlotte, I am live on the show, as we are every day, opening and closing bell, and I'm giving away cash tomorrow. Every Friday, I give money away to all my members. Well, not all my members. We have a raffle, and we have a raffle. Right, 871. Right, here we go. Hang on, I'm going to buy 300 shares. Limit order. 300 shares. Here we go. Let me just change that to trading screen so you can see what I'm doing. Limit order 300. Limit price of 872. 873. I will pay 873. Shares 300. Good for the day. Allowed to execute in after hours. Buy limit order 873. Yes, 873 shares 300. Review order buy 873. Okay. There we go. I've just purchased those shares. Okay. There we go. We're starting to move, even in the after hours we're moving. What is Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic, SPCE, is Richard Branson. Richard Branson has created, and you know how good Virgin is with planes and trains and everything else. They've created space tourism. You can fly into space now with Virgin Galactic, on the edge of space. Now, their competitors like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos will say, you're not in this space. You're not in space. You're actually on the edge of space. And that's all people want to do. They want to float around, be in the inky black, and look at the world. That's it. So you're in space. Okay? Let me share with you the Virgin Galactic site right now. This is Virgin Galactic. This is what you do. You go into space just like this. You look back at the world like that. And they're selling those tickets for $450,000. And they've already sold 750 as of 2 days ago of the first 1,000. And it's a club of elite people around the world that are buying tickets to go on this flight. Look, you're in space. That is in space. On Blue Shepard, it'd be 21 million, as would be Tesla, and they're not even interested in space tourism. Virgin Galactic is the space tourism company, and this stock is being rubbished by everyone, saying it's all a load of rubbish. Richard Branson's never failed. This is not a load of rubbish. This is really happening, and I have traded it over and over and over and over and over again, made thousands of dollars on it, and I'm soon to buy back all my shares and do it all over again. So we've just bought that for $8.73. We're going to sell it again now. Sell space, limit order, and we'll sell it for $8.76. $8.76. Shares 300. Allow in after hours. Review the order. Yeah, $8.76. I bought it for $8.73. Review order. Sell 300, 876, review the order. Yeah, there it is. So when that goes to 876 in a minute, I will sell it. I will sell those 300. Oh, I'm down for that. I'm certainly getting my ticket. I'm going to go on it. Absolutely. You like a bit of that, Charlotte? Right, 873. And are you an Elton John fan, Charlotte? You an Elton John fan? Because I'll do something for you if you are. Please do more research. Yes, you must do your own research. You must understand it. You must understand what you're buying. Please do. If anybody wants to hear Rocket Man in the voice of Elton John or Careless Whisper in the voice of George Michael, let me know. Give me a tip in the super chat, and I will go back to the back of the studio, bring all the lasers down, fill the room with smoke, and I will sing it for you live on the show. Drillian Damage says, do your research. That's what it's all about. You have to understand, because what will happen, Charlotte, if you don't understand the stock you're buying, when I first bought Bitcoin, I bought $100 and I lost $10 in 5 minutes. And I got terrified. I literally felt sick. I thought, oh no, this isn't good. I'm losing all my money because I didn't understand what Bitcoin was. I didn't understand and get to feel the trades. I didn't understand it at all. And I felt physically sick. Now, I've got $4,500 of Bitcoin and I'll trade $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 all over the place, as and when, all over the place, and feel very comfortable doing it. We got a super chat. That means we might have a requested song. There we go. We've got our first tip of the day. We might have a request. Rocket Man. You want to hear Rocket Man? There we go. I've just got a tip for $6.99 from Bill. He wants to hear Rocket Man. Apple. Good. Still climbing. SPCE. Wow, that doesn't sound cheap. What doesn't sound cheap? What doesn't sound cheap, Charlotte? I think you might be behind me a bit. I think you might have buffered your signal. You need to refresh the screen. I think you're behind, because I think you're replying to what I mentioned a few moments ago. Anyway. So, Rocket Man is my most favourite song. Right, for all of you on TikTok, I'm going to play Rocket Man right now, but it's over here in my TV studio. Look, back here, look. See back here? That's where it's going to be. and you won't see it. You won't see it here on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube, all right? Let me change that angle a minute. You need to be on YouTube because you won't actually see it, all right? This is my, I can't show you on TikTok. Impossible, because you're only on a phone. Let me try and make it as good as I can. There is my TV studio. That's where I'm going to be in a minute, doing Rocket Man. If you want to hear Rocket Man, let me try and fix this. I'm making it as good for you as I can, but it's pretty impossible because you're watching me on a phone. All right? Let me try and correct the resolution. All right, there we go. Does that work? Not brilliant. Not brilliant. Okay. Trying to correct the brightness, but it's very difficult. Okay. Yes, Jasper Carrot. Right. If you think I'm like Jasper Carrot, you need to come and watch me on YouTube, right? That's all I'm gonna say. All right. Okay. Wow, that doesn't sound cheap. Oh, Virgin Galactic's falling back down again now. Lovely. Can't wait. Right. So I'm up 6.81% today, $2,500. So have we got a request for Rocket Man then? It looks like we have. So we've set a limit sell at Virgin Galactic for a limit sell of 876. Okay, that's our profit there. And we've also set a buy of 810. 810 as well, as it crashes down. Okay. Thank you very much, Bill, for your tip. He wants to hear Rocket Man. There it is. Rocket Man. Okay. If you'd like to become a member, and then you can get all the exclusive benefits, Charlotte, here is the, first of all, here's the all links button. There it is. Here's the all links button. And here is the invitation to join. Okay. Here's the invitation to join as a member. If you become a member, Drilly and Wilson, investing is fantastic. It's fantastic. However, you can't do what Martyn does because he fully understands his trades and he has followed his trades for months. That's right. That's absolutely right. Well, I'm about to sell my Virgin Galactic again and make money again. I've just set an order, placed an order to sell at 876. 876 it will go. All right. Okay. You want to hear Rocket Man? You want to hear Rocket Man? Okay, you can hear Rocket Man. You need to be over on TikTok, though. On YouTube. Right, I'm going to set the screen over here. You'll get the back of it. All right? Right, here we go. We're going to do Rocket Man now. Ready? Okay, we're getting ready for Rocket Man now. We've turned the lights out. You can see it's getting a bit darker. Okay, here we go. Let's turn the studio around. Here we go. We're going to pump out the smoke now. Get ready. If you want to see Rocket Man right now, you have to go onto YouTube. The link's in the profile just here, the icon, because you're going to hit the back of my head otherwise. So if you want to see Rocket Man right now, click the icon here, click the YouTube, and come on in. I'm going to turn this camera around. This is what everyone's seeing on YouTube. Let me show you. Look, that's what everyone's seeing on YouTube. On that screen. Okay? So, let's get ready to go. 875. We're about to get a trade. Yes, I'm an Elton John fan. He's a legend. Well, I've got Elton John's jacket here that he gave me when I won the World Piano Man. Which I can wear if you want me to put on. But anyway. It's time. Look, we're going to sell. We'll do Rocket Man right now. We're just going to sell this one here. 876. Here's my trade right now. Limit sell. 876. 875. It's about to go up to 876 again. But it doesn't matter if it drops. The moment it hits 876, it will trigger a sale. You want Careless Whisper in the voice of... Right, well, if you want Careless Whisper, what you have to do is you have to give me a super chat. Go see underneath. Do you see underneath the live chat? See under the live chat, there's a little dollar sign. Can you see that? And you give me a tip, and I will sing Careless Whisper. Busy day, you ain't kidding, Muzanella. Best day ever on my my trading. Here's our biggest trader, Muzanella, in the house. Here he is. So here we go. It's time to go over now and do Rocket Man. If anybody wants Careless Whisper, give me a super chat and I'll do it for you. There we go. Change the screen right now. Change the screen for you. Turn the light out. Okay, here comes Rocket Man. Are you ready? Here we go. If Charlotte wants Careless Whisper, Charlotte, just give me a tip in the super chat and I'll play it straight out afterwards, okay? Here we go. Okay, here we go. Just change the lights now. Okay, here we are. And we're going to put the hat on because we're now in position. And we got a request for Rocket Man at the end of an amazing day. One of the most dramatic days we've ever had here on the Day Trader today. Absolutely amazing. And here is a request for Rocket Man. What a day it's been. War is now in Europe, but we are not seeing the negative. We are always seeing the positive. We are not going to be put off and stressed by any of it. You ready? Okay, here we go. She packed my bags last night pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. Gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space. Such a timeless flight like this. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me right again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rugged man, burning out as fuse upon alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. So Charlotte, if you're still here and you want to hear the voice of George Michael, Careless Whisper, just give me a super chat and I'll do the voice for you of George Michael. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think that I'm at home. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man, burning out his fuse upon alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, there we go. Well, the end of an amazing trading day. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. If you watch me on TikTok, you've got the back of my head. You're missing the entire show. It's all on YouTube. Links in the profile. Give me a thumbs up here on YouTube. Charlotte Wilson said, I love your voice. Well, Charlotte, I have 14 voices in 7 different languages. Do you want to hear another voice? If you give me a super chat, I'll do the voice of George Michael. But right now, here's a few. Love on the rocks, ain't no surprise. When I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. Look into my eyes, you'll see. Would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would you be the same? If I saw you in heaven. Well, that's the end of another trading day. We'll be back here in the morning. Let me go over to my trades again. Charlotte Wilson, she didn't want to hear George Michael, obviously. All right, okay. So I'm going to go back over now to the trading screen. If anybody wants to make a last request, I will hop back very, very quickly. But I'm going to go over to the trading screen now and see how my positions are doing. Let me have a look at the trading screen. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic's now 870. So we've got another trade coming up in a second. And then we're going to buy the dips in the morning and buy it all back in again. There we go. So let's go back over to the trading screens and wrap up the show. If anybody wants a request, just let me know and I'll come right back to you. But let's go over there right now. Okay, so here we are once again in the hot seat. And how you doing, everybody? Let me turn the spotlight out. There we go. Turn the red lights out and go back to day trader mode. There we go. Back to day trader mode. How you doing, guys? Who joined me for that? Thanks for the follows. Daniel. Do you want to hear Daniel? If you come over to YouTube, I will sing Daniel for you, all right? If you come over to YouTube right now, I will sing Daniel for you, and you'll see it. You're only hearing the back of my head here, but if you click the icon at the top there, that right there, click the YouTube link on the profile, all right? It's right there. It takes 3 clicks. You click the profile right there, you click my icon, and then you'll see my profile on TikTok, and then the little Instagram icon. Right behind the Instagram icon is Instagram, obviously, and YouTube. Click that. You'll be live in my show right now, and I will sing you Daniel in the voice of Sir Elton John. But you've got to come onto YouTube. That's my deal with you. Marsha, thanks ever so much. Let's get back to our trades. Did we manage to trade out? I was live on TikTok showing you do the song. I was live on TikTok showing you. Oh, was you? Oh, you were multi-streaming me. Brilliant. Love it. Charlotte says, oh my God, I love the voice. Thank you very much, Charlotte. Right. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let's see if we've got any more subscribers today to the channel. We started out at 820. Sorry. Whoa! We just got up 20 subscribers during that one song. Wow, that was a good jump. Flipping heck, that was my best. Whoa, blimey. That was a good result, wasn't it? All right, so back to the trades right now. So if Daniel comes over, thanks for all the follows, by the way. If Daniel comes over, I'll do it. Is it Daniel? No, it's not. It's Alfie Lewis. Alfie Lewis 549. Come into YouTube and I'll do it. Let's have a look. Right, now then. Let's bring in our breaking news for you as we wrap up the show today, because we're going to wrap it up now unless anybody's got any requests for any songs, okay? Let me go over to the live news.
Will prevail.
Putin is the aggressor. Putin chose this war, and now he and his country will bear the consequences. Today, I'm authorizing additional strong sanctions.
There we go. It's going to get a lot worse before it gets better, sadly. But all you can do is live in the optimism of doing the right thing and, you know, taking advantage of all the stupid nonsense that's going on. What he's created, all the money that Putin had, Russia, all of that is going to go, and it's going to come into the West, and we're all going to pick it up. And I'm sad to say that Russia probably will go bankrupt for what they've done today. I wouldn't be surprised at all. And that will be the end. There'll be a second-rate power. That was up to them. They chose him. They chose it. I want to thank Bill for giving me a tip for that. Absolutely incredible. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're waiting for our friend to come over from YouTube. If he comes over, I will do Daniel for you. But you need to come over. This is my trading screen. This is what we're doing right now. This is what you're missing. This is what who's giving me all the love? Andrew Laws. Andrew, I'll play you Daniel if you just come over. I'll do it for you right now. All right, let me try and correct that screen on there. I wish TikTok would let me use my computer to stream, but they don't. Anyway, I think we're going to wind things up right now. There we go. The overall portfolio today is up 7% today. 6.73. 6.73. Most of that is with Bitcoin at 38. Ethereum is up 12%. Coca-Cola is up today. Great. Brilliant. Everything's now calmed down. You see all the stocks that they're calming down? Boeing, everything's calming down now. Yeah. It's been a brutal day, but an amazing day. Twitter, yep, done well today. Has anybody got any questions before I finish? It's all gone very quiet in the chat. I'll finish unless we've got any questions. If anybody wants to ask me anything, I'm more than happy to share or do anything you ask. Just let me know and I'll do that for you. But unless we've got any questions. Hi from Blackpool. Hello. I've done the Blackpool Grand many times. Played at the Blackpool Grand, done the wonderful venue of the Blackpool Grand on Easter Monday after Joe Longthorne was there on Sunday, doing my songs there. Wonderful place. Love Blackpool. My favourite theatre in all the world. So, the Virgin Galactic now, we are done. We might get a sell out of it if it does pop up. If not, I will buy the dip in the morning, which I would expect to get. Either way round, we don't mind. All right, I think we've gone quiet. I think we're going to wrap up. Looks pretty good. So we'll call that a day, I think, there. Okay. Charlotte, hope to see you in the morning. Tomorrow is the big one. Tomorrow, of course, we have our cash giveaway every Friday for the opening bell. We are there with our with our cash giveaway. But that's it from me. We're going to end the show right now. We're going to bring this up. Thank you, Bill, for your tip. Appreciate it very much indeed, mate. And that's it. Charlotte, look forward to seeing you again on our show. Nudge it, budget. Cheers, mate. Thanks, everyone, for joining in. DCU, the Queen of Self-Braiding, Muzanella, Drillian Damage, Buckley Dixon. Who else have we got coming in now? What time tomorrow as I'm in the UK? Okay, the show starts 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock. 1:30 p.m. it starts in the morning, 1:30 p.m. So 2 o'clock, we're into it tomorrow. And what you do is you look on my channel, and like I said before, all the upcoming live streams are here. They're all scheduled underneath the video, Charlotte. So if you're a subscriber to my channel and you just look on my homepage, you'll see all my upcoming live streams. Now I'm going to repost them all. They are Beatles Sean's from the UK, he'll tell you, on this channel. Now I'm going to post now the schedule for the upcoming week. Unfortunately, I didn't do it today. I was too busy doing breaking news. Okay, thank you. I'm subscribed. Wonderful. So just made it back for the end, getting my holiday park ready for opening. Have a good night. Have a great, hey, Corinda. Thank you for popping in right at the end. You just missed the best ever day I've ever had on the stock market. All the money's leaving Russia. And look at my trades. Look at my trades. I've been buying all the high-risk stocks, moving them all into my stocks. Look at this. I'm up 6.5%, 6.7% today. Best ever day on my channel. So there it is. Great. Awesome. Well, thank you ever so much. We've got some new members and some new subscribers. I'll see you back in the morning for the opening bell. Tomorrow, of course, is cash giveaway for all our members. If you are a member, we have lots of sponsors that give me stuff. Here's the invitation to join. You've got until the morning to join. You can be in for a couple of bucks a month. That's all it is. You get exclusive content. You get content that nobody else sees. You get emails from me for breaking news. You get the birthday song sung for you. You get the fundraiser concerts. We've raised over $1 million on the Martyn Lucas channel in the last year. You can have a free concert for you if you're a silver member. You can sponsor the channel if you're a sponsor member. But anyway, we'll see you back in the morning, and take care of yourselves and each other.